Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most colorful and nutritious berries in the world. Raspberries. Sweet, juicy, naturally delicious. Raspberries have been enjoyed for centuries and are now popular across America, Europe, and many other parts of the world. Despite their small size, raspberries are packed with valuable nutrients. Let's begin with vitamin C. Raspberries are an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C supports the immune system and helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Raspberries contain a variety of natural antioxidants. These plant compounds help protect the body's cells and support long-term wellness. Then comes heart health. A diet rich in fruits and berries is associated with better cardiovascular health. Raspberries can be a delicious part of a heart-friendly eating pattern. Another important area is digestion. Raspberries are rich in fiber. Fiber supports healthy digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Now let's talk about brain health. The nutrients found in raspberries contribute to overall nutrition, helping support normal brain function and focus. Another important benefit is skin health. Vitamin C plays an important role in collagen production, which helps maintain healthy-looking skin. Then comes weight balance. Raspberries are naturally low in calories, but high in fiber. This combination helps many people feel satisfied while enjoying a healthy snack. Another advantage is hydration. Fresh raspberries contain a high amount of water, helping contribute to daily fluid intake. Now let's discuss versatility. Raspberries can be eaten fresh. They can be added to yogurt. They can be mixed into oatmeal. They can be blended into smoothies. They can also be used in healthy desserts. But here is the truth. Fresh fruit is most beneficial when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. No single food can provide everything your body needs. Healthy living requires good nutrition, regular exercise, quality sleep, and healthy daily habits. Now here is the key message. Raspberries are much more than a delicious berry. They provide vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and valuable plant compounds that may support heart health, digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating valuable health content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,